Hello everyone. In this lesson, we'll learn about bullet charts. A bullet chart is a variation of bar charts, typically used to compare target achievement in specific metrics. For example, in our case study today, we want to examine our sales achievement rate and see which performance range it falls into. Now, what we've done here is divide our sales performance into three categories. Below 60% is poor, 60 to 90% is medium, and above 90% is excellent. When we want to visualize our sales achievement and show which range it falls into, it is quite clear whether the performance is good or poor. In such scenarios, bullet charts are the perfect solution. Alright, let's see how to create a bullet chart in the system. First, we'll create a new page. Insert a chart. Under Chart Types, select Bullet Chart. For our measure, we'll choose Sales Achievement Rate. Our model has already calculated the sales achievement rate for us, so we can directly select this measure. For the dimension, we'll select Company, since we want to see each company's sales achievement status. In the Color section, we need to add a threshold range. Click Add Threshold. First, we need to select a measure. We'll choose our sales achievement rate. Great! Now in this threshold configuration, we'll divide our sales achievement rate into three ranges. These ranges are: if the achievement rate is above 90%, we'll label it as good. If it's greater than or equal to 75%, but less than 90%, that's a warning. And if it's less than or equal to 75%, we mark it as critical. This way, we're segmenting our measure, sales achievement rate, into three distinct ranges, each with its own threshold values. Let's click Apply to see the result. Perfect. Now we can see our sales achievement rate is divided into three different performance zones. This small black vertical line represents our actual value. If we hover over it with our mouse, we can see, for example, Company C has a sales achievement rate of 70.91%, so it falls within the critical zone. For Company UK, their sales achievement is 127%, so they fall into the good range. Alright, let's make some formatting adjustments. First, let's adjust the position. We'll fine-tune it 1 pixel from the left and 1 pixel from the top. Good. Now let's adjust the background. Great, let's modify the borders. That's it. Perfect. Now let's adjust the border corner. With these adjustments, we successfully completed our bullet chart creation. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.